Once I'd love, and why you should too. There was a young man who had been in love with the same girl since they were just kids, playing in the neighborhood park and sharing innocent dreams. His feelings for her grew over the years, blossoming into something deep and profound, a love that consumed him in ways he couldn't explain. He loved her so much that the mere thought of losing her was unbearable. She was the center of his universe, the anchor to all his hopes. He dedicated his life to making her happy, sacrificing his own desire and dreams to ensure that she was always smiling. Every gesture, every word was carefully crafted to bring her joy. But no matter how much he loved her, no matter how much of himself he poured into the relationship, she did not feel the same way about him. To her, he was just a friend, someone reliable, someone always there, but never that one, the one, the one who could steer her heart. She unknowingly hurt him with her words and action. Small dismissals and casual indifference that felt like degrees to his soul. Yet he stayed by her side, believing that one day she would see him for who he really was, someone who loved her deeply, more than anyone else ever could. He held on to the hope that she would eventually realize his love and reciprocate it. But that day never came. Years passed, and with each passing year, his heart grew heavier. He kept trying, kept holding on, until his weight of unrequited love became too much to bear. One day, he finally understood that he was only hurting himself by clinging to someone who, in her heart, had already let him go. The realization hit him like a wave, crashing over the years of quiet suffering. With a heavy heart, he accepted the truth. He let go not because he wanted to, but because he had to. Moving on was not easy. It felt like tearing away a part of his own soul. But he knew it was the only way to find peace within himself. As hard as it was to walk away from someone he had loved for so long, he finally embraced the freedom that came with acceptance, stepping into a future where perhaps love could grow in place he had never thought to look before.